Well, that can't be good.
There you go.
Thanks a lot.
Have a great day, thank you.
You too. Well, I think I'm overheating. All kinds of shit's going wrong with this thing. Well, that blows hardcore. Just in the drive-thru of a coffee shop, and the car just started smoking all weird. Smells like overheating. I might have just busted a hose. I'm gonna take a look under the hood real quick. Super weird, man. What's going on with my car today? Today is not the day for the car. Look at all this. Blew a hose, man. I think I blew a radiator hose. Well, I better get home to diagnose the situation. But that's not good because my car is going to start overheating if it starts to leak out all the coolant. And I think that's what's currently happening now. Yeah, I'm dripping coolant for sure. Shit, this is not good. Got the baby at home, man. My coolant temperature is still normal. You still see the smoke. The smoke. It's not good, guys. Not good at all. Come on, give me the green light. We gotta get going. We gotta get home, baby. I'm smoking. Yep, Subi's definitely vaping today. That's for sure. That's for sure. Look, people looking at me like, dude, shut your car off. You're an idiot. But hey, I gotta get home, bro. I really hope my temperature gauge isn't broken. So I can look at my coolant temp on my access port, to be honest. Man, this sucks! This freaking sucks! Thank you, Signal. Screw you, radar. You're annoying. We gotta make it home. We gotta make it freaking home. Got my flashers on, just in case I blow up. Can't say I didn't warn you people. Get out of my way. I mean, my car's still cooling. It's at 187. Gotta get this thing home and in the garage to do some diagnosing. I really hope it's something simple. I really do hope it's something simple. Sorry, but I gotta run the yellow. I'm gonna pull over here and check her out. Definitely something going on. Gonna get it home and try and work on it in the garage. Oh, I guess I gotta put the hood down. Damn it, this sucks. Come on, we gotta run the light. I don't even care. We're gonna run the signal. I mean the stop sign. Shouldn't be there anyway. Pretty sure I know which one it is. Just gonna let it cool off. Leaking some fluid in the driveway. What a mess, what a mess. Further diagnosis. Ooh, you can see some buildup right there. It's all caked on under there. If you can see that, it's like dried up coolant or something. Something that does not look normal. Damn, what a mess. It's still leaking out slowly. That's just everywhere. Subaru blue coolant everywhere. Sweet. There it is, still leaking out on the driveway. I better get that cleaned up before I get yelled at. Good enough. Okay, it's just warm to the touch now, but I'm gonna diagnose and see what all that buildup is under there. I'm gonna go grab some tools and we're gonna get started. See if these little tweaky pliers will work. Just got me a pair of needle nose pliers here. Gonna try to get this clamp off. Hopefully I don't break it. Those things are a pain in the butt to get back on. I don't think anything should be pouring out because it's so high. I don't think there should be any fluid in there, but you never know. Expect the unexpected, you know? This hose has been on there for 10 plus years, so probably won't be easy to get off. Look at all this buildup though. Look at all that weird stuff. There we go. Oop. Yeah, I definitely feel coolant under there. I'm gonna grab some gloves real quick. Alright, let's continue to pull this off very carefully. There we go. Look at all that weird, look at that stuff. Are you seeing this? Can you really see all this? Look at it. Look at it. It looks like baby throw up right there. Disgusting, man. Dirty old car. Definitely gonna clean that up before I put the new hose on. Continue to get this other side off. Thankfully, we don't have coolant spilling everywhere. That's nice. That's real nice. Okay, let's see the diagnosis here. Ooh, right there. So there's your hole right there. Something pierced a hole into it. Something just slid it right open. So there you go, there you have it. There's our issue right there. Now the question is, what actually slid it open? Hopefully that won't happen on my new radiator hose. Looks like it was just too close to the fan. Honestly, don't know. But I'm glad I found the issue pretty quick. I'm gonna go get a rag and try to clean up this area. Try and clean up the hoses here. Clean up the area the best you can. These things are always fun trying to get on new hoses. Well, I guess this just means it's time to upgrade. I'm just going with the cheap one for now, just because I can fix it pretty quick. But I'm definitely going to have to order a whole set of these. I'm going to do upper and lower, probably upgraded hoses. Just because, you know? Just because. Just going to take some sandpaper to it. This is P800. Sand down the surface a little bit. Kind of hard to get in there, but it's working. Just want a nice clean surface for our new hose to clamp onto. Feeling much better, feeling much better. Yeah, I'm looking for an upper radiator hose for a Subaru. You got it?
Alright, man. Yep, it's there. It's on hold for you, okay?
Alright, great. I'll be there soon.
Alright.
Thank you.
Bye.
Just like that, we got the part in stock. Hey guys, well, I ain't got any other cars to get me to AutoZone, but I just picked up this bad boy, found it in the garage. So we're gonna take this for a spin, go get the radiator hose, and then we'll catch up with you guys pretty soon. Alright, later. Alright, got the radiator hose. Let's get this thing installed. Got the goody goods right here. Got the old one, got the new one. Just a crappy generic AutoZone version. But hey, it'll do. It'll do. It's better than one with a hole in it, that's for sure. I picked up some coolant just in case. I'm not sure how much I lost, but I'm sure I lost quite a bit. This shouldn't take long at all. Pretty basic repair right here. Just how we left her. Just found some extra hose clamps in my garage. I like these ones way better than these impossible things. Oh, that's just great, huh? That's great. I love when stickers don't come off clean. Come on, get on, yo. The old hose clamp I had in my garage is working out here. Oh, it's gotta fit onto there. That might be tough. I really need some channel locks to get this done. Okay, maybe this will work. Ah! Super close. There we go. All right. Heck yeah. It's probably the first time I ever reused one of these clamps successfully without breaking it. And I'm okay with that. All right, let's start her up and see what happens. Just make sure that she's gonna be performing normally and won't have any issues with overheating or anything like that. Or any leaks. Who knows, maybe there could be another radiator hose with a leak in it. Start her up. No more leaks. Looking good so far. Just gonna let the car get to operating temperature and make sure it doesn't go any higher than that. And I think we'll be good to go. Just gonna carry this stuff. It's gonna be just in case coolant. Just in case coolant. Just in case coolant. We're on the freeway out here. About to get sideswiped. Apparently I must have lost more radiator fluid than I expected. Yeah, cause I'm on the side of the freeway right now and my car is about to overheat. Man, this sucks. I was on my way to the skate park. Supposed to meet my buddy there around 7. It's like 8 o'clock now. This sucks. This sucks, big donkey dick. I don't know, I'm gonna wait it out. I have coolant in my trunk, but there's no way I'm gonna be popping that filler cap with it being that hot. Yeah, we're stranded on the freeway. Thanks, Subaru. So I went and popped my radiator caps and there was actually no pressure built up at all. Definitely low on fluid and there's definitely an air pocket because I drove the car yesterday with no overheating issues. So we're gonna go ahead and top off the coolant and hopefully we can get this little air bubble figured out. And on the way, cause I'm missing out on the skate park session. Yeah, it's drinking it up, drinking it all, baby. Keep pumping it and then it'll suck it up and burp it. Good Samaritan just came to the rescue. Peace. He just stopping by, seeing how I'm doing, just hanging out by the freeway, you know, I'm all good. He's just checking up on me, some random guy in the car scene, just wanting to help. Told him I was all right. He has an 04 Subaru at home, so yeah, he probably feels my pain. It's remember to, you know, top off your coolant after you bust the radiator hose. That's all the advice I have for you. Alright guys, take it easy. Later. Always good to have extra coolant, always good to have extra oil. And hey, even an extra quart of oil right there. I'm actually getting ready for an oil change, so that's why I have all this back here. I normally don't keep gallons on hand, but it's just one of those times. Sounds pretty good. Just mark my spot a little bit. It's a little bit of coolant, a little coolant crust. Never hurt anybody. Just kidding, that probably can kill some people, to be honest. All right, we're going on the cruise, going on a test drive. On the road again. I'm back out on the road again. There we go. Our temps are at a cool 185, and I can live at those temperatures. I can definitely live at those temperatures. So far, so good, man. No busted radiator hose can let me down. It's pretty much unexpected with a radiator hose busting. I mean, I couldn't imagine if I was like halfway through the desert, 100-degree temps. I would be screwed. I don't know if AAA can come rescue you out there. Radiator hose looks good, coolants look good, let's go, baby! Hill climbing. Yeah, that sounds good. I love the blow off. Love the extra noise. Just love it. Look at this freaking view. I'm gonna stop here and have a moment. I'm gonna have a moment to myself right here. That's gonna do it for this little video, guys. It's kind of a spur of the moment. I mean, my radiator hose busted and I just happened to have the GoPro with me. So I just turned it on and that was the video that you guys got today. It's gonna leave you guys with this awesome sunset. Car's back up and running. I may be smoking still, but I can assure you everything is good. Nothing else is wrong at the moment. Hey, let me know if you guys ever had a busted radiator hose. Have you guys ever had a busted radiator hose before? I'm curious to find out. Let me know in the comments and we'll get to talking. All right guys, take it easy. See you on the next video. Later. Take it easy guys and watch out. Your radiator hose might just bust tomorrow. Just beware, your radiator hose can bust at any moment. So, are you ready? I'm just kidding. All right guys, take it easy. We'll see you on the next video.